know that you can make money online. Yeah, that's correct. And just using your smartphone, your computer, and just an internet connection, you could be able to start earning from $100 a day to even thousands of dollars. And all you need, I said, is a computer, smartphone, and internet connection. And with this type of method that I'm about to show you, the website that I'm going to list here, you'll be able to earn really some cash, or even better cash. You don't even have to quit your 9 to 5 job. All you do this during your free time, when you're free, when you have your spare time, to do maybe 1 hour, 2 hours in the evening, at night, then you'll be able to get a side income. So today I'll show you top 10 websites that I've discovered that are going to pay you a ton of money. And stay to the end of the videos. I recommend you to try this, and if you with me, please comment down there and say I'm going to try this, and I'll personally reply to you, to your comment. I like and reply to you. So as we get started, let's start right away. And today I'm going to take from the first website, which is Upwork. Upwork is a website for freelancers. This is where people come and post their job that they want to be outsourced outside their company. With this website, you'll be able to post your resume here. The good thing about this website is they don't really limit your skills. They don't want specific people. They welcome everyone as long as you have a skill that you can provide to someone. You see here, data entry specialist, video editor, data analyst, like app developer, all of them are available here. So if you have a skill, this is a place for you to go. Just go and sign up for free. This is a button right here, and you'll be ready to get started. Website designers, every people are welcome to this website. And this website pays you through PayPal or even bank account, so you don't really have to worry. And no worries, this website is also available worldwide. It provides work for anyone, everywhere in the country. So this is just our first website. The second website is called YouTube. YouTube is a platform that you just upload videos. You go and watch videos, just like me here, just like you there. You're there, you're watching a video. But did you know you're actually facilitating to someone's income? You're giving someone ways that they're earning money. If you look at my right corner here, it's giving you that this is the estimated monthly income for this person. This person, what he does fitness coaching, and is earning dollars of $600 to $11,000. That's a ton of money. That's a lot of money. This amount would not be yours, but you can get started and reach up to this point. So with this YouTube, again, there's so many ways you can earn money using YouTube. The other way is through affiliate marketing. You go on your description, then you just put in your link here, and when people watch, just imagine here 300,000 people watch this video, maybe 5 of them press this, and this person will be able to get a commission. We'll be touching that later on, how you can even make more money, and the websites are going to use for making that money. So this is just number 2. So YouTube, you could make a ton of money. The money you make using on YouTube depends on you. You could make unlimited money, and this is one of the passive ways of income. When you're working online, there are always 2 forms of income, and that is passive, and then there is also active. Active is when you actually have to do the work and then you get paid for it. If you remember Upwork, you have to get the job, work on it, then you'll get paid. If you don't work, you don't get paid. So as we continue, I'm going to take you to the next website. Remember, this is passive income. You upload a video on YouTube, you sit down, you relax, you upload another one, and people are going to watch. From now, 10 years to come, 50 years to come, YouTube community is growing very fast. The third website is called Clickbank. Clickbank is another way that you can earn money, and Clickbank has its own ways of earning money. This is a platform where digital creators or affiliates come to post their work. Digital creators will post their work here, and then a person like me who is an affiliate programmer will come here and get commissioned for selling the products in this platform. How does it work? You come and sign up so easily, free. So you go to a platform like YouTube, and then you put your link, the link down in the description below. So when people are reading a description and they click and they purchase a product that is from Clickbank, that person will get paid, and that person in turn is going to give you a commission. Commissions can vary from even 50% or even 80%. It varies. So people have made tons of money doing these affiliate programs, and it's legit, it's real, and it's working. If I've worked on it, if you go ahead and you want to actually join this platform, one thing I can advise is, if you're in the US and you're in Europe, use this. But if you're not in Europe or USA, use a platform called there's a platform called Digistore. Digistore is one of the platforms that is similar to Clickbank. The good thing about Digistore, it offers the same services that are in Clickbank, and the other good advantage is it is worldwide. It is a UK based organization, and it provides opportunities for people everywhere, and that's the best thing about this website. So this one, you join it with Clickbank, is the same thing. So the next one is called Empire Flippers. Empire Flippers is a business organization that people come to buy and sell digital businesses. Digital businesses, I mean websites, applications, or even just website name, URLs, domain names, hosting, like anything can be sold here. So you see here, sales over 300 million. That is very, very, very big. 70% sales successful rate, which is really good. Yeah, 182 current listings are available. So this website, if you're good at website design, you can design very cheaply websites, and then you come and sell them here. I have a course that is coming up on website design. So if you want to learn how to do website design, please comment below. I will comment directly right back to you. And if you can create a website, there are so many ways you can create a website using free hosting and free domain names. Then you come and sell them here. Yeah, create something for 2 weeks, then you come and put it here for sale, list it here for sale, and someone is going to come and buy it in thousands, in hundreds, depending on your skill, your creativity. So this is the thing. This is where you can come. So if you have your money and you want to actually buy a website, this is a website for you. It has also cheap websites that you can buy easily. If you don't know how to create, if you don't have to go through that time of creating, just come here and just buy a website from this website here. It is free, very legit. Everything here is good. So the next ways how you can actually get your money here. Remember, we have 10 ways, 10 legit ways that you can make money on the internet. The next one is through a website called user testing. User testing is a website where clients with companies like Google or Facebook come and post their website. So they'll want someone to review their website to see how friendly it is, yeah, to the users, that to their audience. So a person like me will come to this website and look for work. So if I come here, all I need to do is click this one, get paid to test. I will be able to test a website and get paid after I test the website. The amount of payment varies, and all you need is just send your email here, get started, and you'll actually get started on earning money. You see here they say apply, browse, test, then make money. You see, earn $4 for every 5-minute test and $10 for every 20 minutes test, and between $30 to $120 for a live interview. So I got money from this website here very much. And the trick about this website is I don't know, I did this last year, so I don't know by now if they have opened up to my country. And I don't really, they actually concentrate in Europe, America. This is the best website for you. If you're in America, this is the best website. But if you're also outside America, there's another website for you. This is called Userlytics is the same as this one, doesn't pay much like this, like 120, but they're the same thing. So with Userlytics, it's available worldwide. You can do it anywhere in Africa, in Europe, anywhere. They accept clients everywhere. They accept applicants anywhere. It's the same thing you have to do. Tester sign up, you see, tester sign up. So you have to log in as a tester for you to be able to get work. If you see here, the mode of payment is PayPal, and it's $5, $10, $15, and $20, and the highest is 90. Yet with the user testing, it was 120, which is a small difference. So this is one of the top ways how you can get started, especially if you're a beginner. You won't get a ton of money doing this, but it can get you somewhere, get you some income, side income, if you're broke. So the next one is this one here called Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a website of photography where people come and post their photos, post their designs here, blogs, write them here. So they publish them here, and then someone will come and purchase that photo. When someone purchases your photo, you're going to be paid money as a commission. When someone purchases 2 photos of yours, you're going to pay 2 commissions. And the trick about this website is you have to upload as many photos, as many videos as possible, so that you stand a chance of making even more money. So that is it for this website. So, and it's available anywhere, everywhere in the world. So the next one website here is Rav.com. Rav.com is a website that is based in a USA. So if you're out of the USA, sorry for you, you can't apply here. Don't waste time to sign up here. So just skip to the next app for that I have here. So with this website here, you specifically take care of dogs. Yeah. So they can pay you between $80 to $100 just for a night. So just imagine you work in a week, you can get over hundreds of dollars in just 1 week. So just trust me, this is a very good website if you have spare time, if you want quick money, if you have free time. You can, if you love dogs, if you love pets, book and pay. Like, just all you have to do is just apply here that you're willing to take care of a dog for 1 night. So they'll present you with a dog, then you'll take care of it for 1 night, and you'll get paid $80 or even $100. And all you have to do is sit, look at that dog, care for it, give it food, and that's all. Person like me, I love dogs so much. So the next website here is actually Take Lessons. Take Lessons is a website that you can come and teach people. Each of us know something: school, cooking, hygiene, mathematics, languages. You know something. All you have to do is come and apply to this website, and you'll get paid for actually presenting on this website. You'll be given a client who wants to learn English, who wants to learn mathematics, English, science, and anything you would think about. Yeah. So Japanese, Korea, like, yeah, this is a lot. So this is a website for you if you want to go and teach people. If you're good at teaching, come to this website. The other website is called Fiverr. Fiverr is a very good website outside there where freelancers go and find work. Yeah, there are so many types of jobs here, from digital writing and translations, video and animation, photography, music and audio production, programming and tech, businesses and lifestyle. So there's so many, and people earn money in so different ways. Here you find that a person can post their job here, and they can actually give a representation eBay, so you can alternate with them. But all you have to do is create an account here in Shopify so that you can keep track of your records. People can get trust in you. You can buy and sell, and you don't really have to mind a lot about shipping this product. Now, all you have to do is get the money from the client of yours. Go to a client in Amazon, order them. They're the ones who are going to transport that product. They cater for all the shipping and everything. Yet for you get your money clean and sheet, very clean sheet. Yeah, thank you again for watching the video. Please feel free to comment below. I love to reply to the comments. See you again in my next video.